Couldn't ask for a prettier day than today, could you?
Awesome.
No, it was just picture perfect out there, and not just in Denver, but statewide. We'll have one, maybe 2 more days of quiet, calm weather before a storm comes in and changes things just in time for the holiday weekend, I'm afraid. Let's first talk about Tropical Storm Ernesto, still spinning just off the coast of Miami, Florida. This storm is about 100 miles off the coast of Miami, winds to 45 miles per hour, moving northwest at 13. It will make landfall tonight. The outer bands already sweeping through southern Florida, including the Keys, with tropical storm force wind gusts in excess of 40 miles per hour. We do expect that Ernesto will show improved organization but will not reach hurricane status as it makes landfall tonight. As a matter of fact, after landfall tonight, we do expect Ernesto to continue to weaken slightly and then emerge over the Atlantic Ocean sometime on Wednesday, where residents of coastal Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina need to pay close attention, as Ernesto may then re-strengthen and become a hurricane once it moves out into the Atlantis. And we're going to really want to track this storm, because even if it's not a hurricane, the wind and the rain alone can certainly do some damage across the Florida peninsula. Now you compare that with our weather, and as Adele said, a picture perfect day. Clear skies, 81 in Denver now, 73 Aspen, 89 in Grand Junction. The winds are light with a few little cumulus clouds kind of dancing along the Front Range foothills. We have fair skies in the 9 News backyard and mild temperatures. A check of the numbers for today as we look back outside. Our low last night in the 40s, our high at 83, right on target for normal. Airborne temperature now still sitting in the low 80s, the humidity at 19%, and the winds are light out of the east-southeast. Breezy, calm in the 9 News backyard outside the studios. Our current 81. If you're watching us in Greeley, you're close to that number. 81 in Ken Carroll, 80 Cherry Hills, and 81 in the Parker area. In the next 24 hours, we do see that the shower and thunderstorm development is limited by building high pressure, which is effectively keeping the storm track to the north. There is a trough developing in the northwest, which will swing in on Thursday, the leading edge with a cold front, but not until that time. So we're really going to see clear skies and warm conditions, not only for Colorado, but much of the Central Plain states, with temperatures near 90 tomorrow and a very dry, stable air mass in place. 105 Phoenix, 89 Dallas, and 87 in Atlanta. Overnight lows tonight with fair skies will fall back into the upper 30s and low 40s for the Colorado high country, upper 40s, mid 50s on the plains. A warm day tomorrow, a quiet day, only isolated storms along the Colorado-New Mexico border. A beautiful day for a hike in Estes Park or Frazier, and one more nice day after that before it all comes to a screeching halt once again. City forecast, a pleasant evening. Fair skies, forecast low 54. A quiet night. Temperatures are going to warm quickly out of the 50s into the low 80s by lunchtime, but I think our high will come close to 90. No thunderstorms in the forecast tomorrow, but the approaching cold front will bring storms Thursday night. A cool, wet day Friday. That's not a typo. Friday's high mid-60s. A 20 to 30 degree temperature drop, Adele and Bob, as we start the upcoming holiday weekend. But the holiday weekend now looks cool and dry for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday.
Well, that's looking better. The 60s, though, wow.
That's a change. And in August.
It is, I know. All right, thanks, Kathy.
I guess in the final Broncos preseason game we'll be watching.